Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Windows 10 users face. 100% CPU usage and system interrupts causing high CPU usage, especially on laptops. We'll also discuss how to boost your FPS frames per second for smoother performance. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first go to Start menu and right-click on it, then go to Device Management. Now, once the device management is opened, we are looking for an option which says System Device. Then, when we click that, we get an option which says High Precision Event Timer. So just select it and do a right-click and disable. So once you click on Disable, it will be disabled, so close this. Now we are going to Power Options. So first go to Search Bar and type Power Option. And we get this Edit Power Plan option, so right-click on it, then go to Advanced Power Setting, then change it to High Performance and then click on Apply. Once this is done, close this tab and open Task Manager, and go to Startup, and in Startup sort them into Enable. Then disable all unwanted applications. Then go to Performance tab. After restarting the machine, you will see the CPU usage will be way lesser than earlier. That's it for today's video on how to fix 100% CPU usage and boost FPS on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.